Every year, over 1,500 earthquakes rock this country. A place where the earth never stops shaking, and yet its people have built a society stronger than almost any other. A place where nature's wrath meets human resilience in a way that is nothing short of breathtaking. This is Japan. From the towering peak of Mount Fuji to the tranquil sacred forests where centuries-old trees stand guard, Japan is a land constantly shaped by the forces of nature. Yet, amidst all this power, there is an elegance and serenity that feels almost unreal.